All right, so I just got the wall stud finder, and it does a lot of stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boy and take a look at it. Here we go. Check her out. Looks good. Comes with a battery. That's nice. Let's get it out of its plastic. All right, so here we are. This is by this company here. I don't know. I've never heard of it. And of course, it's made in China. And it looks pretty simple to get the battery in. So I think we just pop this open like that. So you see there's a little, so you guys can see there's this little thing. You got to kind of push it in and it comes out from there. Let's set that down. Let's grab our 9-volt battery. And this is, you know, basically you've got two leads here. You got a male and a female, and you got a female and male. So you just got to match them up. Oh, wait a minute. You want to know why it won't go in? Look, it's got this plastic all over it. So we've got to cut that. So I got my little cutter, and now we can just get that stuff off of there. Pain in the butt, right? There we go. I mean, you can unpeel the whole thing if you want. All right, here's our 9-volt battery that they gave us with this. Let's take a look at it. You know, Chinese battery. I'm not too sure of the quality, but hopefully it'll work. If it doesn't, we'll get a new one. Let's go ahead and smush it on there. Okay, now we're good. So you got to kind of smush it down, push it in head first, and bam. Then these, you see there's little things here and there's little things here. Just got to get them in there. And then smush them. And bam, we're on. All right, so anyway, to get started in using this, first of all, you've got to, you know, put the battery in, which we did. Then you're going to turn it on here. And then you have to decide what mode you're going to be in. Here's a 1/2 inch, and that tells me it's wood, and that tells me it's a 1/2 inch, right? 1/2 inch wood. I click it again. It's 1 inch, and it's still wood. I click it again. It's 1.5 inches. So I'm looking for wood, or I'm looking for studs. If I click this, that's metal. If I click this, I'm looking for electrical lines. So let's just go back to, let's go 1.5 inches, okay? And then before I get it up on the wall, I just want you guys to understand that here's where you're going to mark the center of where the stud's going to be. So once you hit it, you take your pen and just make a mark or a dot so you'll know where to put your nail or your screw. On the back, it has this felt that slides along the wall. But before you can start, once you've set the mode of where you want it, 1.5 inches, you're going to calibrate it by clicking this. And now it's calibrated, and now you're ready to go, and you can go ahead and set it on the wall and look for that stud. Right now, let's go to the right. All right, so there, it's telling me right there. All right, so we would make our mark there, and that would make sense because, and then here too, there's a 2x4. There we are. All right, so then you could mark it at top. All right, so it looks like it's working pretty good. All right, let's do the electrical. That's for steel, right? And this is for electrical. Now watch. I'll calibrate it by pushing on the side. All right, so now it's ready to go. Let's see what happens when we go over this switch. All right, so it's telling me that's electric. All right, so that's definitely working. All right, I think this might be a viable solution for finding our studs. All right, to turn it off, we just press this, and bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.